Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best cameras for slow motion in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Dragon Touch 4K action camera. If you want some slow-mo and want to keep it to a low budget, then this GoPro-like copy from Dragon Pro is worth a look for the money. You don't get 120 FPS Full HD, but you do get 720p by 120 frames per second. Okay, we hear you say, not bad, but why does this make the list? Well, the answer to that is the price. We won't tell you what the price is, but check it out for yourself and you'll see what we mean. It's not the greatest camera for slow-mo, but at the price, you could easily buy 2 or more of these Dragon Touch cameras for those action shots for less than the cost of a day out at the beach, or one for the price of a good lunch at a beach cafe. If you want a low-cost/low-risk investment, Dragon Touch has to be worth checking out, in our view. Number 2. Our second best pick is Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. We just looked at the low end of the price range for a slow-mo camera, so it's only fair to see what you get if you are prepared to pay maybe 20 times more, at least. If you don't know the story of Blackmagic, they had, and have, a business model of buying up failing nice broadcast and cinema production and post-production manufacturers and repurposing those products for the wide prosumer market. This is a camera that sits on the border between consumer and professional use. If you are doing slow-mo for fun, that's one thing, but if you are doing it for money, then either the 4K or 6K Blackmagic camera should very much be on your list of candidates. Number 3. Our third best pick is Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III digital camera. Canon is another highly respected brand, and the PowerShot G7X Mark III, snappy name, offers 1920 by 1080 resolution at up to 120 frames per second with ample capability for adding your choice of slow-motion video recording media, depending on your budget. There is an impressive CMOS 20.1 MP sensor, and you also get standard frame rate UHD 4K recording. Canon hasn't skimped on the 4.2x optical zoom f by 1.8 2.8 lens, which is way better quality-wise than some of the other models on our list and offers frankly better-looking pictures in low-light conditions when you need to open up. To get the best from this combination, you might want to invest in some portable lighting, as that will help out the camera sensor to get enough charge when overcranking. This advice, of course, applies to any of the other cameras in our list. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Panasonic Lumix G95MK mirrorless camera. Just like Sony, Panasonic has decades of experience in slow-motion digital photography. This very impressive Panasonic mirrorless DSLR range includes this model, which hits 120 frames per second at HD, but note only shoot and playback at 60 frames per second when operating in 4K resolution. The Panasonic Lumix family also now supports the BBC-designed HLG, hybrid log gamma, form of HDR, high dynamic range, designed by Andrew Cotton and the BBC research team, which is frankly a great way to get a much more realistic and vibrant picture than simply upping the pixel count, which is all go get from 4K. Coupled with a great MOS sensor and a decent lens, and all that means really great slow-motion photography. Want to capture all the tiny movements during a golf swing? Panasonic will do that. It's not cheap though. Pros: easy to use, pretty much point and shoot. Stunning HDR. Panasonic build quality and brand reliability means peace of mind. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Sony NXFS700R 4K sensor high-speed camcorder. You don't need to choose a DSLR to get a great slow-motion camera. The NXFS700 from Sony shows that decades of experience with slow-motion cameras pays dividends. This is a genuine ultra-slow-motion camera, way beyond the capabilities of normal 120 FPS slow-motion models reviewed here, and is more like some legendary highly specialized cameras like the RE Tornado, NAC, or Phantom, as it clocks in at a staggering 960 FPS. At those kinds of speeds, you need to have some smart technology to handle the very small amount of light that can be captured in 1 by 160th of a second, heat issues with the sensor, accurate shuttering, outputting the huge amounts of data being generated and much more. Also at these kinds of speeds, you will start to see strange phenomena like water droplets that seem to have an invisible skin, filament-based electronic lights gently pulsing due to the AC current, and will produce stunning results like this NAC camera example but at a hugely more reasonable price. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.